In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Safety and Emergency. Then hit Emergency Contacts. Select Add Emergency Contact and tap on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finished, select Done. Now, you need to make sure this switcher next to Show on Lock screen is blue. This way all of your contacts will be accessible from locked screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!